A spline is a curved line that intersects several defined points. A spline whose starting point is coincident with its end point is called a closed spline. All other splines are open splines. Access the sketching tools, define a plane. Click the Spline tool. Click a starting point, point 1. Move the cursor and define point 2. Move the cursor and define point 3. Move the cursor and define point 4. Move the cursor and define point 5. Press the Escape key. The points used to create a spline may be defined using dimensions. Now I am going to explain how to edit a spline. Select a point on the spline. Click and drag the point to a new location. Click the green OK check mark. A spline may also be edited by editing the dimensions used to define the spline's points. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.